Okay, so today we will cover datum plane. Okay, datum plane points. Okay, so today we cover only points. Suppose how to create datum points means many points are created without any sketch. Okay, so suppose go to here. This one is point option. If it is not in your means in your Catia, suppose by chance you can close this one, so just right click anywhere and this is the reference element called reference element extended. Okay, so now this one is called. So now go to the point here. So first one is coordinate system. Okay, coordinate system means suppose if you give here x value, okay, and suppose give it here y value, okay, and suppose give it here z value. So now by this x y z you can create one point. Okay, next you can create here on curve. So first need to create one curve here. Suppose click this sketch and means plane and select one curve here, create one spline here and then go to the point. Okay, so now we can create here on curve. Suppose select here, so now this one is curve. Suppose choose the length here. Okay, so that is the length. Choose the length as per curve. So now this one is curve. On the curve create a point. Okay, next here suppose choose here on plane. On plane means suppose choose any plane and give h value and v value means horizontal value and vertical value. Okay, so now that is the horizontal value and vertical value. You can change as per your requirement and place it. Then also go to the point here on surface. So first you need to create one surface. So go to the start mechanical design and go to the wireframe design and then extrude it. Okay, select this curve. Already this one is previously created. Okay, so now this one is curve. Now this one is curve. Okay, so here that is the curve and create here. This one is one sketch and suppose choose in the part design. So go to the point and here on surface. Suppose choose this surface and place by distance you can control from here and place it here. Okay, so now this one is placed and then preview it and then open. So now one point created here. This is the point. Now we can create one circle or any curve or any arc here. Suppose we can create here one circle. Okay, one circle and then undo it and then go to the point. Okay, suppose this is the point. Now okay, so on surface already covered. Now this one is circle and sphere. Suppose select this circle. Okay, so now this point created here. Okay, so that is the one point created here. So that is the circle point. Okay, next here go to point here. Now tangent on curve. Okay, tangent on curve. Suppose select here and select this curve. Okay, and select one direction. Suppose choose this plane. Okay, so now this one is two point created here. As per selection, this point will be created. Okay, this point will be created. Next one is suppose last one is between. Between means suppose select two points. Okay, and give the ratio. Okay, so total is the 100 ratio. Okay, so 100 means 0.1 1 only. Okay, so suppose 0.58 means that is the 58% and this one is 42%. Okay, so that is between point will be created here by this option. Previously select 2 points and give the ratio value here. Okay, so that is the point definition in Catia. Datum point definition means without any sketch you can create point. Okay, so that is the point definition.